I've taken note of the great mistake that was done during the last voting exercise and transmission of results. Because you cannot shift the goal posts in the middle of the game. That is what INEC did last time. I commended, just like today, you can see that with Beavers, the accreditation and the voting process has been made very easy. So on the part of the electorate, they did well, as you can see. But the challenge was from INEC. Why did they not upload the results electronically as was stipulated in their guidelines? That is what we are working with. And you go and shift the goalposts. And that is how the election was rigged. And we completely dissatisfied with what took place, and it's unacceptable, and that is why we went to court. Because we're law-abiding citizens. We want everybody to feel. We don't want crisis. As you can see, there is peace everywhere. We have no intention. The opposition is jittery, and that is why they have gone accusing the PDP of several arming of militia and weapons and all those sorts. You can see what is happening here. This is my hometown. Everybody is on the queue. They are voting. All the polling units are here because of the security situation we have within our community here. And all over, I tried to find out in other locations in Goma local government around the state. There is no crisis whatsoever. Let everybody go and vote. Let INEC do the needful. From here, we want the result to be transmitted. Let us know who has the highest vote. Not going to doctor it somewhere and saying there is problem with server and all that. I think Nigerians are not ready to hear that. And no wonder the international observers have completely disagreed with the process which produced whosoever emerged as winner.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Turnout is very impressive. You can imagine we are just around 9 o'clock, and you can see that people are coming, more people are coming, and people are fully sensitized, and they are here to protect.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.